and hello people, welcome to my Microsoft Excel School Academy. This is the course for beginners and intermediate users. If you watched the previous lessons and if you like them, please click on like and subscribe button and hit the ring bell button to get the further notifications for the lessons that will come in future. Okay, in today's lesson we will talking a little bit about changing the background color of a cell. Let's take a look at another really quick feature here, and I want to change the background color of my title. The title is here. Now the title is a little bit more unique because I made it so big it actually expands across multiple cells, as you see. And you see here that the main cell, when you click here, is B2, but then it also bleeds into C2, D2, E2. So we need to adjust the space the text is found within A, so we are going to change the background color here. But then in a later video in this course we are going to talk about a feature called merge and center. But for now I will click new cell such as B2. I am already on the home tab, as you see, and already, as I said, on the home tab, and underneath the home tab there is a font section, and you got a little paint bucket by the little down arrow, just like the font color right here, the paint bucket icon, and I click the this arrow. So let's say I am going to make the background blue, which kind overrides my text, which is already blue, and after that I'm going to make the text, for example, white. Okay, I click on background, it is blue, and I will click on font color. As I said, choose the white color. Now we are running into the issue because I'm not seeing the rest of the text. So for right now, to get that text to show up, I am going to highlight cell C2 and hold down the left mouse button, and I'm going to drag all the way to the G, for example G column, and I'm going to change the background color all in blue. It is already blue color. Just click here and you see your text appears also. Like I said, we're not absolutely finished here, and as I said, we are going to talk about merge and center in just a little bit. But for now, quickly grab a cell such as your title here, maybe multiple cells like B2 to G2, and change that background color and the font color. And that will be all for today's lesson. See you soon.